I invite you to take a deep breath for meditation. We let go of things that we may not be able to see, that we don't want to see, and step into amazing grace. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a soul like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Twas faith that made me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. Inhaling and exhaling. We breathe into the core of our being. The expression of God, of light. There is no thing too dark, too difficult, too complicated for God. God is the very wisdom active in this mind that is my mind now. God is the very love that is active in each heart. Every heart is God's heart now. We see those hearts beating. We see the divine harmonizing faculty releasing all sense of separation, all discord that can come from lack of understanding, lack of belonging, all suffering. That comes when we do not stand in right action. So we take a deep inhale and a mighty exhale, committing ourselves in this moment to good, to God, to the light. Where there is darkness, let me sow light. Where there is hatred, let me bring love. Where there is injury, let me bring kindness, sweetness, compassion, and understanding. Where there is doubt, let me be the faith. Let me breathe into strength. Let me embrace curiosity. Where there is any appearance of lack, may there be a mighty quickening. a quickening of awareness, a quickening of capacity, an expansion of consciousness. So that the love that is infinite, that is everywhere present, can heal and reveal itself in the midst. Breathing together into the silence, the love, the wisdom, the light. Darkness cannot drive away darkness. Only light can do that. Hatred cannot drive away hatred. Only love can do that. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and we are here to be a blessing. Namaste.